Hey, food lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic, mouth-watering sandwiches in the world, the Cuban sandwich. If you've never tried one, get ready to have your taste buds blown away. And if you have, well, you know exactly why we're so excited. Let's get into it. So, what makes a Cuban sandwich so special? It's all about the perfect combination of flavors and textures. Let's break it down. First, you need the right bread. A traditional Cuban sandwich starts with Cuban bread, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. If you can't find Cuban bread, a baguette or Italian loaf will work in a pinch. Next, we spread a generous layer of mustard on one side and butter on the other. This is the flavor base that ties everything together. Now, the star of the show, the roasted pork, tender, juicy, and full of flavor. Then, we add ham for that salty, savory kick, and don't forget the Swiss cheese. It melts perfectly and adds a creamy richness. Here's the secret weapon: pickles. They add a tangy crunch that cuts through the richness of the meat and cheese. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now, it's time to press it. This is what gives the Cuban sandwich its signature crispy exterior and melty, gooey interior. If you don't have a press, you can use a panini maker or even a heavy skillet. Listen to that sound. That's the sound of perfection, my friends. Look at that beauty, crispy, golden, and oozing with flavor. Are you drooling yet? Because I sure am. Oh, my goodness. The crunch, the tang, the melt in your mouth. Pork, it's everything you want in a sandwich and more. This is why the Cuban sandwich is a legend. If you're a fan of bold flavors and amazing sandwiches, you have to try this Cuban sandwich. It's a taste of Cuba right in your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite sandwich of all time. Until next time, keep eating and exploring. Adis, amigos.